Hi everyone. So like this is an app called Canvas, and these are all my drawings. Um, I've got these, you see, and these animal ones are some of my favorites. So today I'm gonna teach you how to make one of these animal things, like this or this. I did some here. Okay, so first you search animal or object. You don't need to do animal exactly, but I like doing animals, so I'm just gonna do one. So here, I'm gonna do I'll do a koala. Sorry. I'll do a cat since a lot of people like cats. I go to images. If these are none of the things I like, I can type cute here. And then here's some of the ones I like. Oh, these are so cute. And especially this one with a heart. It's fun. I'm gonna do this one. So I right click and then I click save image as. And then I close this tab and I go back to Canvas. Then don't click new drawing. Click new from image. Yeah, new from image. Okay. So I'm gonna start. I click new from image and then click on the one I just got. Okay. Then I'm gonna custom color. I wanna do a shade of blue since it's my favorite color. And then I'm just gonna color the whole thing, covering the cat. But the trick is, it has a thing, click this, it has layers. When you do it, it adds a layer for you, so then the kitten won't be erasable. Okay, so I just color in the whole thing. Okay, almost done. And okay, there, I'm done. I'm done with coloring the whole thing. Now I will do black or white since they're also my favorite colors. I'm gonna go for black and white. You don't need to do stripes. It's just a pattern I like to do. And then I'm gonna get this white color. Okay. Just gonna go, oops. Just gonna go like, and then color it in. I'm gonna go black, blue, and white. So this is my third stripe. But I think I put too much white, so I'm gonna do a bit more of black covering it to here. Okay. So you might not want to do this, but it's totally fine with doing anything you want. Just having a bit of fun here. I'm using Canvas because it's a really good website for drawing. It might get a bit of taking used to, but yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna make a little edit here. Okay, and then I'm kind of a perfectionist, so okay, that's done. Now you get this eraser out, make the opacity full size, and then you can play a game with this if you like. Then ask someone to guess. You can just play around writing letters, or you can do other stuff as this. But if you want to show the full animal, then you can just erase a bit, just like that, and then keep erasing. There. So this is our animal. It's a sweet little kitten with a blue, black, and white background. I'm just gonna add some decoration. So this is the kind of pinkish red I'm wanting. Just gonna color. It's too thick. Make it half size. Okay. And then feels like the kitten's actually watching me do this stuff. Okay, so I'm just gonna add a tiny heart here. Okay, I am done. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. And that is my collection. So thanks and bye. Bye guys.